Colorful succulents. Do you wish you can grow them too? Anyone can grow succulents, but not everyone can achieve their amazing colors. It is easy to purchase those pastel-colored echeverias that look like roses, or the vibrantly colored sedums and crassulas that look like flowers. But what's difficult is to maintain their colors. There's nothing more frustrating than to buy colorful succulents and then see them fade to green when it's their amazing colors that attracted us to them in the first place. But it is also heartbreaking to see them get sunburned in our attempt to make them colorful again. In order to grow colorful succulents, you need to stress them out. I'm sure that you've heard about that advice already and wonder how it is done. How exactly do you stress succulents? How can you achieve their vibrant colors without hurting them in the process? And can everyone grow colorful succulents? Well, if you can see colorful succulents growing in your neighborhood or local nurseries, chances are you can grow them too. Do you know that some people are able to grow colorful succulents indoors using grow lights alone? If they can achieve it by using artificial lights, you can do it too with the most powerful light source, the sun, and it is free. If you grow your succulents outdoors and you are blessed with an abundance of sunlight, you might be missing out on the opportunity to achieve their vibrant colors. When I started with this hobby, my succulents are mostly green. When I got introduced to colorful succulents, I would buy a lot of colorful ones, only to be frustrated a few days later when they slowly fade back to green. I thought it has something to do with my location, or the way I water, or even my soil mixture. Over time, I was able to figure it out. I still live in the same area, yet I now grow a lot of colorful succulents. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine living a few blocks away came to visit me one day. She was in awe of how colorful my succulents were. As she looked closely, she realized that she's been growing the same succulent species in her garden. The only difference is hers were mostly green while mine are colorful. You too might be living in a location where you have the chance to grow colorful succulents as well. But not knowing how prevents you from achieving their amazing transformation. I have another example. Sol, living in Bahrain, messaged me one day. She was in love with all the colorful succulents I've been posting online and wishing she can have them too. I shared with her the secrets to growing colorful succulents. After religiously following my advice, she was able to consistently achieve the results she dreamed of in Bahrain. If you dream of growing colorful succulents, allow me to guide you to make it a reality. Chopstick and Succulents now offers a workshop, the Beautifully Stressed Workshop, the art of growing colorful succulents. These 2.5 hours total video lessons is packed with visual examples and step-by-step guide to help you successfully grow colorful succulents. And I will be your instructor throughout the workshop. Beautifully Stressed Workshop will take your succulent hobby to the next level, because in this workshop, I will share with you the secrets to growing colorful succulents. This is a self-paced workshop. You can access the course anytime you want. You'll have unlimited access as well as get updates for free. And because it's the first time I'm launching this, you will get a massive discount. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Be a few steps ahead in your succulent hobby. Be a proud student of Chopstick and Succulents.